The main difference between a Roth IRA and a 401k is the tax treatment. Contributions to a Roth IRA are made with after-tax income, allowing investments to grow tax-free and withdrawals to be tax-free in retirement. In contrast, 401k contributions are made with pre-tax income, meaning retirement withdrawals will be subject to taxation based on the individual's income tax bracket at the time of retirement. This gives a Roth IRA a better tax advantage for individuals in retirement. In terms of investment options, a Roth IRA offers unlimited choices, including bonds, stocks, certificates of deposit, and real estate. A 401k, on the other hand, only offers options provided by the employer, which are limited by a third-party administrator and typically include a mix of mutual funds and exchange-traded funds. As a result, a Roth IRA provides more investment options. Employer contributions are another key difference. A 401k plan may include employer matching contributions up to a certain percentage of the individual's income, adding more funds to the account. In contrast, there are no employer contributions for a Roth IRA, making a 401k a better option if the employer offers a matching contribution. Despite their differences, both retirement plans have similarities. They both have contribution limits, and individuals can withdraw funds without penalty once they reach 59.5 years old. Ultimately, when comparing the two, a Roth IRA is more attractive due to its tax-free withdrawals in retirement and unlimited investment options, while a 401k offers the benefit of employer matching contributions, which can significantly increase the total amount of money received in retirement. A Roth IRA provides higher income in retirement and more investment options for individuals with different preferences, making it the overall better choice.